There we go. Record. Awesome. So this is how we're also going to do graduation, which is really important for us to know how to do because this is where we're going to do our graduation this year. So I will show you a screen that looks just like this, okay? And you will see your certificates on there, okay? So it'll look really, really, really fun. And just so that we practice, we're going to do our math like this today, okay? All right, boys and girls, so here is our assignment for today. So today we're doing 510, 510. It looks like this. Now, boys and girls, give me 1 second. Thank you. All right, sorry, boys and girls. Blake was roughhousing with the dogs, and I told him, go play rough outside, huh, Guile? See, that's that rough that Guile was telling me earlier. So I said, go play outside with the puppies. So it's nice and quiet. All right, guys. So here we go. I'm going to click on add response. Okay, do you guys see that? Give me a thumbs up. I'm going to pretend I'm live, okay?
Anymore.
You see it, Mandy? You don't see it?
I
Uh-oh.
see you.
You only see me? Guile, how about you? Do you see my screen?
I see it. You just need to press on your face the little box in the corner. Then it just says measurable attributes. Describe by measurable attributes.
Okay, so you see it. Okay,
You just
so
need to press on your face.
you need to click on my face. On Miss D.
No, well, you just need to press it on the box in the corner.
Okay, guys. Mandy, do you see it now? Okay, click on the box, Mandy, and see if it helps. Click on the box that I'm presenting. Does it show?
It's not showing.
Not showing. Can you exit and try to come back in?
Okay.
Okay, try that. I'll wait for you. Go ahead. Okay. Do you still see me? Sorry, guys. We want to make sure everyone can see it. How about now? Can you see it now? Give me a thumbs up if you guys see it. Okay, Naomi says no. Naomi, can you exit and come back in, please?
I see it.
Okay, Mariah sees it. Okay, awesome. Alila, how about you? Thumbs up or down? Okay, thumbs up. How about you? Who's this? I can't see you because you're being blocked. Who is iPad 43? Is that Sophia?
Yes.
Oh, that is Sophia. Okay, so
I unmuted my.
that's okay. I'm gonna put your name on there so that I know who you are. Sophia. How about Kirsten? Do you see it, Kirsten? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Whoops, I don't see you, Kirsten. Hold on. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, there you guys go. All right, Kaden, how about you? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Can you see the screen? Awesome. Okay, if you guys cannot see the screen, then that means that you guys need to probably exit and come back in. Exit and come back in. Okay? All right. Mandy, how about now? There you are. Awesome. Okay, here we go. We're going to get started. I am going to record this so that if you guys cannot see it, you guys can see it later, okay? Awesome. Here we go. So what I want you guys to work on today is continuing with, oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okay. Measurable attributes. So what we've been doing is Kinder Standard measuring data 1 through 2. We learned the word capacity yesterday. We talked about capacity. And we talked about the cup that was getting full of rice, right? And how many cups we thought would fit into that little bowl that I had. How many cups fit into that little bowl? Remember that? Who can tell me how many cups fit in there? Good. It was just one, right? 1 cup. Good. 1 cup. And it was because it was full to capacity. That's the capacity of that little bowl. It was only 1 cup. Okay. So today we're going to continue with 5:10. We're going to skip 5:9, and I will tell you guys soon why we're skipping 5:9. So here goes our screen. So everyone go ahead and look at the screen that Miss D is showing you guys. Go to page 2. Okay, and you'll go to page 2 by clicking, if you guys can see right here, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now this one says, there are many different ways to describe the same objects. You can describe them by length, weight, and capacity. So length, weight, and capacity. Okay, so here we have a train of cubes. Okay, I had to skip 5:9 because 5:9 was about how to measure with cubes. Unfortunately, because we're not in the classroom, I cannot do 5:9 because I don't have cubes at home, right? Do we have cubes at home, boys and girls? Some of us, yes, some of us might not. So
Alright. Mommy, we don't have cubes.
You do or you don't?
No.
I don't. Okay.
No.
A lot of our friends don't. So because of that, I'm going to show you here how to do it with the length of height of an object. So if I want to find out how tall something is, all I have to do is measure it by counting up with my cubes. So for example, let's say I have a marker and I want to find out the length of my marker. So I'm going to put my cubes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if 5 is enough. Is that enough as the same size as my marker? Probably need 1 more. Okay. So that's not enough. Now is it enough? Is it the same height?
Yeah.
Yes. So I had a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes. That is the length of my marker. So I'm able to find out the length of my marker, how long it is. And say, how long is my marker? It was 6, total of 6. Okay. Now, in the middle, if you guys look right here, and I'm going to use a marker to circle it, or highlighter, sorry. You see that? That is a balance scale. Everyone say balance scale. Go like this. Balance scale. When you go to the market, do you ever see those and your mom puts fruit inside of it to find out how much it weighs?
Yes.
Good. You can use a balance scale to find out how much an object weighs. So when your mom puts the fruit inside, it tells her how much fruit she has. So everyone balance. Good. Balance. Okay, and then the last one that we have here, you guys have seen this probably. Oh, let me grab my highlighter again. This time I'm going to change my color to pink. And you guys see the colors where I have them?
I like pink.
You like pink? I like pink too.
I like blue. I like light blue. I like turquoise.
You like?
I like the lightest blue. Yeah.
Oh.
I like turquoise.
Okay, I think
Miss D, the next one, can you put the light blue?
Okay, right now I'm gonna do pink because pink is my favorite color. So I'm gonna do pink.
After that, we'll do turquoise.
All right, after that. All right, so if you guys see here, it says you can measure, you can use a measuring cup to find out how much an object holds. Has anyone ever seen this one here? Where do you see this usually? Where do you see that? In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Good job, Sophia. Yes, your mom uses it when she's baking, when she, Naomi, I know you like to bake. Do you use that?
We use that sometimes.
That's right, when you do your baking.
My mom bakes fruit salad. My grandma and my mom bake fruit salad. Sometimes I help. It has fruit in it, and it's a salad.
Awesome. Naomi, how about you? Do you use this? Do you use a measuring cup when you bake?
A what?
A measuring cup.
A measuring cup?
Yes. This one, right here.
What?
This one. Maybe she doesn't see it. Okay, so a measuring cup tells us how much an object holds. So for example, we can put milk, we can put water in it when we want to make something. It helps us tell us how much we need and we can hold by measuring it, okay? So now look here, boys and girls, what do I have here? Uh-oh, how do I move this? Oh, let me move you guys up here. Aha, there you go. All right, so right here I have, and let me use the turquoise or the lightest blue. Okay, light blue. Here we have a water bottle. Do you guys see that? It says move the tools that you would use to hold a bottle of water. So what do you guys think I could use to measure this bottle of water? How can I measure it? What can I use to measure it? So it tells me to use this. Boys and girls, pay attention to this one because it's telling me to use the finger. So I better go down here and click on that finger. Aha, there goes my finger. Now I'm able to move these, like magic. Okay, which one am I gonna use? Which one? Am I gonna use this one to measure the bottle?
No, it's gonna get wet.
Oh, okay, how about this one? Do I wanna know how much it weighs?
No, it's gonna go through.
Okay, how about this one?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I'm gonna bring this one over here because Sophia says I can use this one. Good. I want to find out how much water I have. Good job. Now let me tell you guys, we could definitely use this one too, and let me tell you why. Because look at this. Dun, 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 dun. Misty just switched the side of it, and look what she did. What is she doing?
Oh, so you don't have to get it wet?
You don't have to get it wet, no.
Misty, I have an idea for the scale. You don't need to wet it, but you can put the water on top of it in the one of the boxes.
If I want to find out how much it weighs, right?
Yeah.
That's a good idea too. Awesome. So if you guys look here, I am measuring how tall the length of this water bottle is. So I put the cubes right there. Does that fit? Yes, it fits. So this is how long the water bottle is. So I'm going to go to tools. Okay? So let's go to page 3. Okay? This one, page 3, 5, and 6. You guys are going to do on your own. You're going to circle the tools that you would use to measure the object using the pen. So let's do this page together. Let's do this page together. So it tells you to use this pen. Who sees the pen right here? Right there. You see this pen right here?
That's yellow.
So you're going to go down here and look for that. So I'm going to look for it. I found it. I'm doing it in blue.
Oh, the corner is falling.
So which, number 1, it's like a cookie jar. What tool can I use to measure the object? What can I use? There's nothing inside the cookie jar though. So what am I measuring? Marcus, what do you think I'm measuring? Which one should I use? Hayden, is your belly full? Should I use, let's see, should I use this one? Because if I use that one, can I find out how tall it is? Yeah, good job. All right, so the next one is, oh my goodness, did I do all these lines? Oh, strange. I don't remember doing that. All right, how about the donut, number 2? Let's, oh my goodness.
I did that.
You did that. Who's me?
I'm Mariah.
Oh, Mariah, you did it already? Good job, sweetheart. You're on top of it.
Why did she do a lines like that?
Okay, here we go, guys. Number 2. Okay, the donut. The donut. How would I measure it? It's a circle, so I can't really measure the height. Can I put it in my measuring cup?
Miss D, I did that. I drew all these lines.
Okay, so can I use this measuring cup then, Mariah? Since
Yeah.
I
No.
can't use a measuring cup. It's not liquid. I can't pour it in there.
What about the scale?
Good job. The scale. Let's circle the scale. Yes, I can find out how much. Good job. Very good. Now you have 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I don't know what these lines are. Huh. Someone drew lines on mine. All right, guys. So here we go.
It's Mariah.
Oh, Mariah. The last page. I want you guys to look at the last page because this one, I want you guys to see how we're going to do it. Look at the object and move the tool that you use to measure it. Okay, so on this one, you guys need to go to the bottom of the page, grab the hand, and you're going to move the object. So let's look at the pumpkin. How would you measure the pumpkin?
Yeah, the sour sweets out.
What do you think?
The scale, cause you can't use a measuring cup. It's not liquid.
Good job, Sophia.
Scale.
I'm gonna bring the scale. Good. What else can I use anything else? Or that's it?
For the milk?
For the milk, what do I use for the milk?
Measuring cup, cause it's a liquid.
Good. Awesome.
I know it. I know it already.
Good job. Awesome. Good job. So then now we know that we have a measuring cup and we have a scale. Good job. Is there anything else I can use to measure? Connie, how about you? What do you think, Connie? What can I use to measure? What do I want to know how
The cubes.
good. The cubes, Connie, because I want to know how tall it is. So let's grab the cubes.
I said it, Misty.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was Connie. I'm sorry, sweetheart. Go. So, Sophia, if I make my cube smaller, is that going to fit the pumpkin?
Yeah.
That's how tall the pumpkin is. Now, let's grab this one. See how I'm carrying it over? I'm going to click that arrow. I'm going to put it next to the milk, and let's see. Let's make it tall. Aha! Perfect size. So I use these tools to help me find out how long for length and capacity and how much that pumpkin how much can fit into the pie. Someone is not on mute. Is that Mariah, are you not on mute? Uh-oh. We gotta be on mute, okay? Here, I get all your brothers. Okay. Nothing there. Oh, there you go. I forgot I can mute you guys. All right, awesome. Okay, so the awesome thing about this is that you guys are going to be able to do it on your own on Seesaw. When you're done, you're gonna click that green button and you're gonna send it, it's gonna send it to me, okay? So that I can see it as well, okay? So now what I want you guys to do is, how is this? Is someone doing that on the screen? Oh,
Maybe that's Mariah again.
I don't know, but that's not cool. Mariah, are you the one doing that? don't know. That's very strange. I'll talk to her after and have a conversation with her, okay? So don't worry about it, guys. Whoever is doing that, just don't do it on the screen, okay? All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and there it goes. It's gone. There. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys 510. So on 510, you guys are working on your own to show me capacity. So what I want you guys to do is circle the thumbs up if the scale is showing a correct weight. And I want you to show me if it is not, circle the thumbs down. Circle the thumbs down. Okay, so for the first one, everyone have this worksheet in front of them? Like this. So for the first one, we have a scale with an apple and a truck. Okay? Yes, most likely the truck will be heavier. The truck will be heavier. So in that situation, we will color in the thumbs up because this one is right. I'm sorry, this one is wrong. Oh, I know why. It's a toy truck. So the toy trucks are usually smaller. That's what it was. The toy trucks are usually smaller. So the apple can tend to be heavier. That's why I did a thumbs up. Now, if it was a real truck, it would be way heavier. But this is a toy truck. So the apple is heavier than the toy truck. Okay? So all you have to do is, if it makes sense, on the scale, I want you to tip yourself over and pretend you have a toy car here and an apple here. Which one would be heavier? The apple, right? So make your scale go to the apple. Ready? Make the scale go down. Remember the elephant and the mouse? Good. So if the elephant was here and the mouse was here, where would my scale go?
In the middle.
With my mouse and my elephant? Remember the book, The Elephant with the Mouse on the seesaw? What happened?
On the side. There's the potty.
Good. Yes, go
Inside
ahead.
the room.
Yeah, so it's going to go down on the elephant side, right? Because he's so heavy. So just like a seesaw.
Misty, can I go to the bathroom, please?
Go ahead, sweetheart. So just like in the book that I read to you guys, the elephant would go all the way down and the mouse would come all the way up. Okay? So I want you to think of that book I read to you. Does anyone want me to send the book to them or do they remember the book? If you want a copy of the book, I have it. Just tell me to message me and send you the copy. Okay? All right, boys and girls. I am done recording for